Electrodes. Every alkaline battery begins with manganese dioxide, a naturally occurring mineral refined to extreme purity to serve as the positive. Zinc is the battery's fuel. These ultrafine granules will be consumed atom by atom as the battery converts chemical energy into electrical power. The steel casing serves as both the battery's structural container and its negative electrical terminal, conducting current from the zinc anode to the external circuit. The electrolyte is a concentrated potassium hydroxide solution, a powerful alkali that gives the alkaline battery its name. The brass current collector nail penetrates the center of the battery, providing the electrical path from the manganese dioxide cathode to the positive terminal cap. Filaments. The separator is the battery's critical safety barrier. This thin, porous fabric allows ions to flow while physical terminal components must make perfect electrical contact and provide a reliable seal against electrolyte leakage throughout the battery's entire shelf life. Cathode mixing combines the active manganese dioxide with conductive graphite and electrolyte in precise proportions that determine the battery's voltage and capacity. Every batch of cathode mix is tested to verify it meets the exact electrochemical specification. Batch-to-batch consistency ensures the cathode ring is formed under enormous pressure, compacting the powder mixture into a dense, solid ring with precisely controlled weight, density, and dimensions. Each cathode ring weighs exactly the specified amount to within milligrams. Weight precision directly determines the battery's energy capacity. Cathode rings are loaded into precision magazines that feed the high-speed assembly line without interruption, maintaining production rates exceeding 1,000 batteries per minute. The cathode ring must make intimate contact with the steel casing wall to ensure efficient current collection across the entire cathode surface area. The partially assembled cells move through the production line at extraordinary speed, each station adding another component in a precise choreographed sequence. The separator must be perfectly positioned. Any gap or fold could allow the anode and cathode to touch, causing an internal short circuit. The zinc anode gel contains billions of tiny zinc particles suspended in the gelled electrolyte, maximizing the surface area of
the anode fill volume must be exact. Too little zinc reduces battery capacity. Too much creates dangerous internal pressure during discharge.
The zinc gel fills every available space inside the separator, ensuring maximum zinc surface area contacts the electrolyte for optimal battery performance. Electrolyte volume is critical. The potassium hydroxide solution must fully wet the separator and both electrodes to enable efficient ion transport. The crimp seal must withstand internal pressure generated during battery discharge while maintaining a completely leak-proof barrier for the battery's entire shelf life. The sealed cell is now a complete battery. From this point forward, quality testing will verify that every cell delivers the specified electrical performance. Inside every Duracell battery, 7 precisely engineered components work together to convert chemical energy into reliable, portable electrical power.
Every battery is individually tested. At production speeds exceeding 1,000 per minute, the test system must evaluate each cell in less than 60 milliseconds.
Open circuit voltage must fall within a narrow tolerance band. Too high or too low indicates a manufacturing defect that would affect consumer performance. Discharge testing drains sample batteries through calibrated resistors, measuring how long the battery maintains useful voltage under realistic consumer load conditions. Leak testing is critical for consumer safety. Any electrolyte leakage would damage consumer devices and create a potential chemical exposure hazard. Weight verification confirms that every component was correctly dispensed. A battery that is too light or too heavy indicates a filling error that would affect performance. Insulation testing applies voltage between terminals to verify the gasket seal provides complete electrical isolation, preventing any external short circuit path. X-ray inspection reveals the internal structure of assembled batteries without destruction, verifying that all components are properly positioned and aligned.
The iconic Duracell copper top label transforms an anonymous steel cylinder into one of the world's most recognized consumer products.
Heat shrinking bonds the label permanently to the battery casing. The shrink sleeve also provides an additional insulation layer between the steel casing and external contacts. The copper-colored positive terminal is Duracell's most iconic brand element. Consumers worldwide recognize the copper Label inspection ensures every battery meets Duracell's brand presentation standards. A misaligned label or smeared print would damage consumer brand perception. Millions of identically branded batteries flow toward packaging every day, each one carrying the Duracell promise of long-lasting performance. Label adhesion must survive consumer handling, temperature extremes, and years of storage without peeling, fading, or becoming illegible. The best before date assures consumers their battery will deliver specified performance. Duracell batteries maintain their charge for up to 10 years in storage. Quality testing goes far beyond basic electrical measurement. Sample batteries are subjected to extreme conditions that simulate years of real-world consumer use. Vibration testing ensures batteries survive the rough handling of global distribution without internal component displacement or electrolyte leakage. Drop testing simulates consumer accidents. Batteries must survive multiple drops from 1 meter onto concrete without any degradation in performance or safety. Electrochemical analysis reveals the fundamental health of the cell chemistry, detecting subtle variations that would be invisible in standard pass-fail testing. Safety testing deliberately abuses batteries under controlled conditions to verify they respond safely. An alkaline battery must never rupture. Failure analysis dissects defective batteries to identify the exact process step where the defect originated, enabling corrective action to prevent recurrence. Competitive benchmarking ensures Duracell maintains its performance leadership position against all competitor alkaline battery brands worldwide. Continuous improvement drives every quality metric upward. Monthly reviews identify trends, celebrate achievements, and assign corrective actions for any metric below target. Consumer packaging must protect the batteries during shipping and display, while presenting the brand attractively on the retail shelf to drive purchase decisions. Heat sealing creates a permanent bond between the blister and card backing that provides both product protection and tamper evidence for the consumer. Different pack sizes serve different consumer needs and retail channels, from impulse buy 2-packs at checkout counters to value pack 16s in warehouse clubs. Display shippers are dual-purpose packaging. They protect the product during shipping and then unfold to become attractive retail counter or shelf displays. Automated palletizing builds stable pallet loads with maximum efficiency, optimizing shipping container utilization and warehouse storage density.
Case verification confirms every shipping case contains the correct product count and total weight, preventing order fulfillment errors.
Alkaline batteries are classified as non-dangerous goods for transport, but must still carry proper shipping marks and documentation for regulatory compliance. Industrial customers receive batteries in bulk packaging, optimized for automated assembly into flashlights, toys, and electronic devices. Seasonal promotions and retail-exclusive packaging drive holiday sales spikes that can exceed 10 times normal weekly volume. Order staging brings together all products for a single customer shipment, verifying completeness before the order enters the shipping process. International battery shipments require material safety documentation, certificates of test, and customs declarations for every destination country. Container security seals provide chain of custody verification from factory loading dock to destination warehouse. Every customer return is analyzed for root cause. Return data provides invaluable real-world quality feedback that drives manufacturing improvement.
Battery recycling recovers valuable zinc, manganese dioxide, and steel for reuse, reducing environmental impact and raw material consumption.
The distribution warehouse holds billions of individual battery cells, sufficient to supply entire countries with portable power for weeks.
Mixed pallet picking assembles custom assortments for individual retail stores, each pallet containing exactly the product mix specified by the store manager. Warehouse temperature control extends battery shelf life. Duracell alkaline batteries stored at room temperature maintain their charge for up to 10 years.
Battery storage areas are equipped with specialized fire suppression and chemical spill containment systems as required by safety regulations.
Fleet tracking provides real-time delivery visibility, ensuring retail customers receive their battery shipments on schedule. Holiday battery demand can spike to 5 times normal levels. The factory begins building inventory months in advance to ensure retail shelves stay stocked. Every departing truck carries the portable power that keeps flashlights lit, toys running, and remote controls clicking in millions of homes. The production control room monitors every assembly line simultaneously, tracking rates exceeding 1,000 batteries per minute per line across multiple parallel lines.
Provers. Size changeovers from AA to AAA or C to D require precise mechanical adjustments. Every tool, die and fixture.
Electrolyte concentration directly affects battery voltage and capacity. Analytical chemistry verifies every batch before it enters the production process. Continuous improvement never stops. Every new inspection technology, process optimization, and quality tool contributes to better batteries for consumers.
Every factory worker understands the electrochemistry inside the battery they build. This knowledge enables them to identify and prevent quality issues at the source.
Concentrated potassium hydroxide requires rigorous safety protocols. Regular emergency drills ensure every worker can respond correctly to any chemical incident. Production efficiency improvements are measured in fractions of a second per battery. At production volumes of millions per day, small improvements have enormous impact.
The people behind the battery are Duracell's most important asset. Their expertise, commitment, and pride in quality are what make every battery reliable.
Battery production runs 24 hours. Consumer demand for portable power is constant, and the factory must produce millions of cells every single day to keep up. The night shift supervisor maintains the same production standards as daytime. Every battery, regardless of when it was made. The test system never rests. Every battery produced on every shift passes through identical testing, ensuring consistent quality around the clock. Night maintenance maximizes equipment availability during peak daytime production hours, swapping worn components and calibrating critical stations. Extended discharge tests run for hours or days, measuring total energy delivery and end-of-life voltage to verify every production batch meets the full capacity specification. On-target production through the night means millions of fresh batteries ready for morning distribution to retail shelves worldwide. From zinc and manganese to portable power, from 1 cell to 1 billion, the battery factory fuels the portable world. 7 components, 1 perfect electrochemical system. Inside every Duracell battery, chemistry and engineering combine to deliver reliable portable power. The factory's ultimate purpose, delivering moments of joy, safety, and convenience through reliable portable power whenever it is needed. When the power goes out, Duracell delivers. Emergency preparedness depends on batteries that maintain their charge for years and perform when needed most. 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. One mission: to keep the world powered. This facility produces enough batteries annually to circle the Earth multiple times, powering billions of devices at the dispatch from atom to energy. The battery foy, portable power perfected tell, born from chemistry, precision, and an unwavering commitment to performance. The power of trust. Zinc, manganese, and human expertise. Behind every copper top, a factory